Hi, I'm Dr. Brownfield, and I'm working at Grady Veterinary Hospital, and today we're going to talk about diabetes. So the signs that you should look for in your pet associated with diabetes include an increase in appetite but weight loss, an increase in thirst, and an increase in urination. And the reason that these things occur is because the body cannot properly take up glucose without enough insulin, and so your pet will start to break down their fats and protein, and that'll actually make them lose weight, but they feel like they're not getting enough nourishment, so they will actually eat more. And then when glucose builds up into the bloodstream instead of moving into the cells properly, the glucose will actually spill over into the urine as it's filtered out of the kidneys, and it takes water with it. Water is attracted to glucose, so it spills over with it, so we'll see an increase in urination. And your pet may try to compensate for that by drinking more, so we often see an increase in thirst as well. So in order for your veterinarian to diagnose diabetes, there are a couple of different things that they look for. One, we look for the associated clinical signs that your pet may have at home, and then we check a blood glucose, and we look for a persistently high or elevated blood glucose level. And it's normal for blood glucose to spike a little bit after a meal. However, it's usually not significant enough to cause blood sugar to be present in the urine. So we'll also look for blood glucose in the urine, and that tells us that it's remained high in the bloodstream and has actually started to spill over into the urine, and that can help us to diagnose. Diabetes is actually a very manageable disease in our patients and something that many owners find easy to treat at home. And as long as you work with a consulting veterinarian and you ask as many questions as you may have, then their prognosis can be really good. So if you have any questions or you're concerned that your pet may be affected by diabetes, then certainly don't hesitate to call your veterinarian and make an appointment.